This is the task 1 project of Sithafal. And this Python script processes uploaded PDF files, extracts the text, and build a query answering system using lang chain, hanging face embeddings, and FAISS. Here is the breakdown of the code. Here we installed required libraries such as LangChain, Pickle5, Streamlit. Import necessary modules for PDF text extraction, embedding, vector storage, and query answering. And here we initialize the language models that we are installed earlier in the libraries. Initializing a chart group large language modeling helps with specific settings like temperature and API key. And here we upload the file of the PDF that we are going to split, and we use Google Colapse file upload feature to allow users to upload the PDF files. And here we process the PDFs that we are taken into the action. And here we extract the text, loops through the uploaded PDF files, extracting text using PDF miner. And here we split the text into chunks. The splits that extracted text into manageable chunks for using embeddings using recursive character text splitter. And here we create embeddings. Generate embeddings for the text chunks using the hugging face sentence transformers. And here we build the vector storage using FAISS. And here we save the files that we modified here. And here we handles the queries, and it is the input query, and it takes the question from the user as the input that which we are needed to access. And here we load the vector storage, load the FIAS index from the p.pkl file, and here we get the result that we used. This is the task 2 of the Sithafal. This file is the Jupyter notebook file with Python code that appears to implement a web scraping and question answering system. Here is the breakdown of the key aspects visible from the code. Here we install the libraries that we used in this code, and here we give the input and scrapping. The script takes one or more website URLs as input. It scraps the website likely using a library such as requests or beautiful soap. And here we process and index the text that we are taken into the PDFs. Extracting text is split into chunks for further processes. Embeddings are generated for these chunks probably using a model like hugging face, beautiful soap, sentence transformations. We store the text that we are embedded from the code in the vector storages with using FIISS. The embeddings are stored in FIIS index for efficient similarity based retrieval. And we take the questioning answers. The system allows user to ask questions about the scrapped content. If retrieves relevant chunks from the FIAS index and generate answers based on the extracted informations. Here the scrapping websites used for promoting the users to input websites, initializing a scrapping process for each URL, logging in process. The process of extracting data after the scrapping, the text will be split into chunks to facilitate embedded, generated, and efficient querying. FIAS index creation is used to generate for the text chunks and stored in a FIAS index. The users can type questions and ask the queries that we are needed to find out. Relevant answers are provided based on the extract from the websites. User can ask about here. In this example, we are taking the users asked about Indian cricket players and their roles in the cricket. The system provides consequence and structured answers based on the scrapped context. Thank you.